Hey, bayibambe phela.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yes, Richard speaking. Who am I speaking to?
Yes.
Hello?
Speaking Mhlonishwa here.
Yes, how can I help you? How can I
Yes,
help
I have a serious nyanza leyo. Need money very fast.
you? You need money very fast. How fast do you need it? Like now?
Yes, fast as like a man with sugar diabetes doing nkunya. That fast. 2 minutes fast. Very serious.
I don't understand.
Hey, ngifuna loan man. Borrow me loan man. Serious man. Prison my
You don't need to shout, sir. You don't need to shout. I'm trying to help you.
my friend becoming 26 man. Fuck man, I'm brief man.
So let me get this clear. You need a loan of how much? And we need to check if you do qualify, sir, before we can proceed. So again, like I said, you're speaking to Richard.
Ngoshambe welishathi ukuthi bonombuso lapho bolomajele bobheka umuzi ke noma bomgadlelo komhlambe abantu lento khona ukukhuluma nabo Swati ngafa silungu sami ngitawugcina ke ngithatha ke i-funeral cover kube mina ethi ngifuna ukuboleka nje imbijana imali ukuthi ngikhiphe mngana amajele.
Unfortunately, sir, I'm the only one available. I can try to assist you in any different way. So, sir, are you working and how much do you make a month?
Working, yes, me Sunday kwaba seCorinth 7 ushesa ngosami wathi eloyi lamasabathane ndodana kaDavide yehla zankewe sihlahleni zankewe wamhlaba ngempanga wabe sekumgeza tinyawo walala ke Philip alala ke ngosami bafika bamkhiba amehlo hayi Philip bathi ngibani konje lo mathemba akhe lo bathi Samson ngosami bamkhiba amehlo banika Goliath ngimlo ke every Sunday I'm preaching ngiyathandaza ngosami ngimfundisi.
I don't understand you.
Preacher, I'm a preacher, mfundisi man. Ngishito lesilungu. Give loan man, sterek man.
How much exactly do you make a month?
Akuyingami phela ngithi uyabathi bazali bemazayoni man bakhipha bo 15 rand. Sometimes 16 rand mara ngiyahlanganisa ngithi ngenyanga mhlambe yenda labo 65 rand, 80 rand.
No, unfortunately, sir, I cannot help you.
Wena ungasho njalo. Hello? Hello? Case number 763, Babe Simelane, Alfred Simelane versus Goodwill Vilagati. What's going on here? I see an assault case. Babe Simelane, you were charged with an assault case. So, ushayeng enhloso yokulimata Babe la Vilagati. And ngiyambona vele ukuthi ulimele.
You wanna? My client here was just acting on self-defense. Because Babe Vilagazi came to their house with signs of anger and violence. So they had nothing to do but to protect their house and themselves. And there were also kids in the house.
Hey, ure. Shawina mne.
Futhi kwana. Uthi leka nokuthanganisa mali ya bail.
Quiet please. Sorry one. Babe Vilagati. Ngabe kuliqiniso ukuthi ufikile endlini yabo ukhombisa kukwada nekuthukuthela.
Angathi lekhohlakele lekhahla leli. Lithi ukusebenza ufuna kufaka emuva etibuni la ufuna kufaka etibuni.
Ufikile endlini yabo ukhombisa kukwada nekuthukuthela njengomuntu otekutolwa loneni.
Bawanda ndani phela bangiva bathi mfana bafuna kufaka ngapha emuva etibuni la. Bengafuna ukumthaya kona mara benikwatile ngoba ukuthi ufuna kufaka etibuni. Ungafuma wena bakufaka etibuni wena.
Right, I also see here a statement from Mhlonishwa saying he tried to reconcile. He came to your house. Together, you and your daughter chased after them. Ngemazembe. You didn't want to listen or make any sort of peace. Quiet, please. Babe Simelane, what made you so triggered to the point where you felt like he deserves this kind of beating? Uzumshaye kangaka.
Ora chapuze kusho ukuthi manje ma-ona wona ukuthi mina kanjani thina because of thatha ndabeka 1 + 1 kwenza 2 1 times 1 kwenza 1 akuhlangani kanjani atil pesuku ihrotmane yami bona check umngane yami ukuthi sikhipha what naka mina vele ngijabha phansi kwesikude yabona boma fast forward vrupa 180 kilometers per hour ngiyacheck ngibona highway yangibiza ikasapho ngizumoya usanje ngefeni ensimbi yabona kodwa baba angezwa manje ukuthi okay yangibiza manje yabemeza insimbi khala emuva uthi manje ngiyabona bakhala abantu lokusini batayiphakamisa ndoda iphakamisa nona iphakamisa manje ngathi chat track ufike edlini diamond fuck skipona ngathi ngiza manje kunewisiwish edlini yabona khala ebusito manje ngena ku reverse nge-side parking ngiyayibheka ngathi fuck kwanye yona ezokhala igane manje nadideka ukuthi manje kwenza kanjani nge-diamond la kunamagigi la ngitanto adla phakathi manje ngitheka ukuthi sikhipha bomawati la ngithuthe hayi mngane yami ihleli lapha ekhoneni enze isijumbana njengempaka konkosazana edoda iyalila ndoda wona iyakhala manje fazi wephepha ngitafok manje angeke phela kwenzeka lokhu phezu komngane wami ikhwetha limile lamemeza libhidaya vele lifuna ukwenza lamasimba bona ufuna ukwenza lamasimba eyi ngiyabuka vele manje hayi manje hayi bani yalahleka manje natinti imoto ngathi Sylvester Stallone ngabona ukuthi manje Sylvester Stallone ngathi lenza kancane ngathi athi nibhelele amahata nibona ukuthi amahata azofika manje ngithi ngiyachecka ngibona isikhathi ngithi amahata uyawazi nawo amahata athathe kancane ngathi afok back to Sylvester Stallone ngabona ukuthi hayi Rambo ngathi yenza kancane ngathi masigwaza neka ngathi likhetha ngathi khetha thisa umoya uzokhawatheka ikhetha la danga ngeke ngenzela amasimba mina manje ngiyabheka manje gala ingane zonke indawo fok ngathi Dragon War Kung-Fu Panda 4 ngashanga reverse kick bonke yabona yasabazeka phansi naphinda nayithela ngathi khetha thisa umoya umngane yami